guys, welcome to my channel. I have a quick Dollar Tree haul. I want to show you some things that I got. Okay, I got these really big baskets and they have them in fall colors right now. Got 2 of each. So they will stack like that, and they will stack, they will nest like this, and they will stack like that. And then there's 2 in, hang on, let's pull these out. Come on. They're nesting a little too well. There we go. So in the orange, I've got 2 in the orange, and they had a lot of them in the autumn colors. They had those they had the cylinder size baskets, and they also had, get these out, the totes they have that are normally clear. They had them in this orangey rusty color. So these are the essentials, and they are base A and the base A top. So I got 2 of these because I'm doing a lot of crafting and stuff, and so I like these because you can put, you know, paint pens and stuff in there, which I'm going to use for one. I have some more pumpkins. I finally found some more pumpkins to paint, and I also got another project which I'm going to do a tutorial on from something at the dollar store. So let's see what else we've got here before we get to that. I know people have been hauling these village pieces. Now it's so funny because when I get my Christmas stuff down, I'll show you years ago, had to be at least 10 years ago. The Dollar Tree had village pieces, I believe, and village pieces, and they had really nice pieces for Easter, which were like Kay's Creations or some Kay's something. It was on the bottom, but I think they were ceramic back then, or else they also had little tiny ones like this at Walmart, and they were ceramic. Now they're plastic, but they look nice, and it's good too if you have little kids around and they might, you know, touch them or knock them over. They have the hole in the bottom for the little tea light, and I'm going to show you that because they had the tea lights as well. The little tea lights. And these have 240 hours of operation, and they have an on-off switch, and you get 2 for $1. So that's what they look like there. You have to pull out the little tab and then turn them on. Okay. And it's supposed to be flickering. You can see it. I don't know if you can see that it's flickering. And you can put it in there, and it's flickering through the windows. You're probably not going to see it well on the video, but it's flickering in there. Very nice. They're also good for these ceramic jack-o'-lanterns. I didn't get this at the Dollar Tree, but my sister-in-law gave this to me. Okay, and I'm just going to pull that, put that in there. And that's a nice little flickering design. Let me put this back. And it's nice that that'll stay put in there. I'm going to shut it off. Okay, and let's go on to the next items. to go along with the village. And I have a lot of Department 56 stuff, but I thought maybe I would use these somewhere else, just on a windowsill or something. And I have, like I said, I have a huge amount of village pieces, and regretfully we haven't even been able to put it up in years. There's so much of it. But now that the kids are a little bit older, you know, maybe they'll take more of an interest and we can do it. Got some trees, because I usually have like a little village scene, like I said, and honestly I use like the little houses and like maybe my Department 56, the North Church, a couple of very special pieces. Picked up some of this glitter drape, because you can always use that. Like I said, I even have Winnie the Pooh village. I have a lot of village scenes. So I picked up those, 2 of those, some trees. Wait a minute. There we go. Picked up some trees, and then picked up some people. Now this is a Santa, and it's a woman with some candy and a little dog, and then a mother and her son, and so I've got that one. And then this one, which are children, you know, playing with snow, and a little girl, and then the snowman. Picked up those. Okay. And then I picked up 2. This is before I found the other kinds of pumpkins. I picked up 2 of these. Hold on. Okay, these are the I picked up 2 of these. These are those decorator pumpkins. I want to use the paint markers on these, maybe make polka dots, or maybe make something for Thanksgiving where it says like give thanks or grateful on it. Try that, try my hand at that on these. So that's why I bought these, 2 of them. Picked up this green jute twine. They also had red and white, I think. But I picked up green. I don't know why. I figured, well, maybe I'll use that for something. And then, okay, so I picked up 2 of these. Even my husband likes these because they have non-skid feet on them. And then inside, so these are nice for like desk drawers, or your drawer in the kitchen that keeps scissors and stuff or pens in. But it's also good for other drawers, and I needed them for my kitchen. I got 2 of these. And let me see here. Oh, that welcome sign that I'm still in the process of making, and I'll show it to you. Remember I showed you flowers that I thought maybe I might use in place of the O? Well, I saw these, and I think this is a new design, and they're on both sides, and I think maybe I'm going to see how one of these will look instead, because it's into the colors that I'm going to use for the sign on the one side, and then I'm going to make a Christmas theme on the other. I want to get to that very soon, hopefully this week. Okay. And then another pack of the trees. And they had different kinds of trees. They have white trees. Picked up a set of cardinals. I love cardinals. Okay. And then they had these, just like the ones I showed you in white, but in black. I didn't have white like this, but I got these for like my desk drawer and stuff, and they're bigger. They have the non-skid in there. They have the non-skid feet. So this is a drawer organizer. I got 2 of these. Sorry that there's like a shadow, but 2 of these. Put this in there. Picked up this little Hansel and Gretel book, because sometimes I just want to read the story of Hansel and Gretel, and I didn't know if I had it separately. I know I had books from when I was a kid, I had it separately, but my kids have it in a big storybook. I just wanted to get it in a little one. Okay. And then I thought my kids would get a kick out of this. This reminds me of ones that I had when I was a kid. Remember, we had a witch with these kind of legs, and she still lasts from year to year. I don't know how, but I picked up the Frankenstein. Thought we'd hang it somewhere to decorate for Halloween. Then I got these. Now, I know they sometimes call them napkins here in this store, but I think they make nice hostess towels like in the powder room. And I have a basket that holds exactly this size. So I got those, you know, to keep on hand to put into refill. And they're really pretty with a goldfinch, and we have a lot of those in the area, and then a postcard, and they're very vintage looking, but they were very nice. I know some people decoupage with them. Napkins, I decoupage with fabric. Napkins look so delicate and hard to do. And, you know, if they tear, you're like, oh, fabric is so easy. Okay, and then I saw this Crayola Beginner's Guide to Hand Lettering Calligraphy, and the reason I got this is almost like two for those pumpkins and the signs that I want to make. I thought it would help me because, like, I'm very much a person, if I see something, then I can just go and recreate it. So I thought even to have these, I could practice something and then put it on the sign, or, you know, make that, and I thought it was nice. And I could also copy these on my copying machine, and my kids want to try it or whatever. You know, it's there. It's nice. It's by Crayola. And let's see. It's actually says Crayola Hallmark Company 2018, Crayola, Easton, Pennsylvania, and by Dream Bites. Retail creative marketing suitable for ages 6 and up. Trying to see if it has a price on here. I know someone said they got these really expensive coloring books there, but I get a lot of coloring books that are really expensive at Ollie's, and I've gotten them at the Dollar Tree too. They're really good ones. But here, so that's what I got. And then I have another pack of the Village people. It sounds funny. People for the Village, and then this is a scene. Let me see. This looks like, almost looks like a stove or something. Then we've got a couple more people. And then I have some staining to do. I've got to show you my projects. I videotaped a lot of them. I just have to get them edited and up. We lucked out, we found this really beautiful table in a house that my neighbors are demoing. And it's solid wood, and I just thought, okay, well, that'll be great for a plant stand. And it was in perfect condition. The top had like maybe a few ring marks. I thought, well, I'll sand it down and refinish it. It's very easy. And then my husband sanded it down, and we pulled the drawer out. The drawer was all dovetailed, which I saw inside the house, but it had a marking on the side, and it ends up, it's a company from Jamestown, New York. And we found the table selling for $400 in not even good condition because of this history behind this furniture. So I refinished the top, came out beautiful. Anyway, but I have to do some benches and things, and I have that antique vintage high chair to finish. I'm putting a glaze on that. If you follow my Instagram or whatever, you know about that. I picked these up because these I use for staining. I cut them into 4s, and they work really well. Okay. And then I'm sure that I have these, at least one of these from last year, but my kids and everything like them. And you know what? They're nice if you have things that you need to keep out, like sometimes for the holidays, right? You can put this on a table or something, and inside you can put your ornament hooks, your suction hooks, things you're going to be using to decorate as the season goes on, or your to and from tags, and they're not going to look messy. It's going to look like something, but you're going to know what you have in it, and it's really nice. And this says, these are letters from Santa. Very cute. And I believe I have big mailboxes too last year. I have to go through all my stuff. Yeah, I forget from years, and over the years I have so much stuff I can never even use it all to rotate it. But there's that, and then I saw this one. It's kind of in the greens, a little vintagey looking, and it says, follow festive cheer, let it snow. No, please don't. It did snow the other morning here, can you believe that? So these are, this is really cute. So I picked up 2 of those. Like I said, because they're really great, again, to put things that you're going to be using, like twine or whatever, in there to use it through the season. Okay, and then the other thing I got was a lot of tote bags. Now this is the Black Panther. This is a really, look at this. This is a really nice size bag, really nice. Look, it's like the size of a disposable, reusable grocery bag size. So very nice size. And my kids love Black Panther. They said they're going to use these for Halloween. I tried to look for other vendors kinds, and all I found was Superman, but these have a ticket on them. It is Marvel Comics. Okay. Let's see. A Winnie the Pooh one. Again, very good size. Okay. And I have another Black Panther right here. Okay. And I have a Superman. Again, same, very nice, very good size bag. And, which I have some stuff from a Walmart haul I'm going to use, the Minnie Mouse. Really cute, classic Minnie, and they had another Minnie style as well. Okay, and I think that's about it for Dollar Tree. I have a Walmart haul coming up. But let me know what your favorite item was, and let me know if you're looking for anything to see here or what's rare in your store. Let me know anything in the comments, okay? Thanks for watching, guys. Have a great one. Bye-bye now.